Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Sai Charan and you're watching ENK Learning Hub. Let's start solving today's question. Based on the cities that our patients live in, show unique cities that are in province ID NS. So select as usual from patients. So they are asking to filter out who is the cities which are having province ID as NS. So for that we will be filtering it by using where class where class is equals to where provenance id, sorry, provenance id is equals to, they are mentioning it as ns, right? Ns. So now they're asking about unique cities. So what does unique means? So distinct, simply in SQL language you can see it as a distinct. So that is uh, only, no, we are not including duplicates. So what we are doing here, distinct of city, distinct of city as unique cities. So this is it. So let's try running it. Yeah, we got correct answer. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe for more content.